Welcome to the class 6 students. Today we are going to start with a new chapter of your syllabus, which is chapter number 4, Surfing the Web. Okay, now what is web? The web is a browser. Generally we call it the web browser, which we use. Basically it is a software. We all know there are softwares and hardwares. Hardwares are those parts of the computer that we can touch and we can use them physically, but software are those programs that are installed within the computer. So the web browser is one such software that we use to access the World Wide Web. In short, we call it as WWW. So the World Wide Web, the full form of WWW is World Wide Web, and to access this World Wide Web we use the web browser, through which we can get any information we want. We can search anything, we can learn different things. So that is what the importance of web browser is. Okay, see, in the present times, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer and Mozilla Firefox are the most popular web browsers. Okay, so if you are asked name a few web browsers which are popular now, the three most popular names of web browsers are Google Chrome, which belongs to the company Google, and then Mozilla Firefox, which belongs to the company Mozilla, and the third one is the Internet Explorer. Okay, so after that, in that page you will find a chart, this chart. Okay, you don't need to read this chart. In this chart there is basically details of the different web browsers like Internet Explorer, Firefox, Opera, Google Chrome, where when they were founded, how they work, etc. All those things. You don't need so much details about these different web browsers. Okay, so moving on to the next page, page number 33, you will find starting a web browser. How you can start a web browser. Let's talk about that now. To start a web browser, we double click its shortcut icon. So what is the shortcut icon of the web browser? First, let me tell you what is a shortcut. Shortcut, the word itself means the easy way. Okay, if suppose there is a long way to somewhere, we might not take that long way and we might find out a shorter way to reach that place, which can also be known as a shortcut. Okay, so to start a web browser, we double click its shortcut icon present on the desktop or click start. So this is the shortcut icon of Windows. Okay, this one. Okay, and it is present at the right hand side corner of bottom corner of the computer, and when we double click on that shortcut icon present on the desktop or click start all programs, and then click on the browser that we want to use. So what are the steps? First step is to double click on the shortcut icon. Second step is to click start. So after you click on this icon at the corner, an option will come which is known as start. Okay, so then when you click on start, you will get a list of programs, and among those list of programs you click on program, and programs means all the programs or softwares that are installed in the computer will come. The list of that will come, and then you can choose your desired web browser. So that is how we can start a web browser. Okay, thus if you click on the Internet Explorer, it will start the browser. Similarly, Mozilla Firefox can also be selected if you want to use that to browse through the internet. So there are different browsers, whichever we are comfortable with, whichever we have in our computer, we can select that, we can use that to go through the web browser. Okay, once you start a web browser, the browser opens up, and the first page that is displayed is called the home page. Another term that you have to remember is the home page. So basically home is where we go every time at the end of the day. So whenever you open the web browser, the first page that is shown is known as the home page. So according to your wish, according to your needs, according to your how much you need, what you need to search, depending on all of that, you can change the home page. Someone can keep the Google search bar as the home page, or someone else can keep something else. So depending on a person's needs, the home page can be changed, and thus the home page can be defined as the first page that opens up when we first open a web browser is known as home page. Okay, moving on to the next page. Look at this diagram in your book. This is a screenshot of the home page, which is Google. Suppose a person has set search a lot of things through Google, so that person has set the Google search bar as the home page of his browser. So when the browser is started, the following page shows. Okay, this one. Okay, see, next we will talk in details about the home page. When we start the browser, we see a web page called the home page. I told you this already. This web page is displayed first of all as the browser has been configured in that manner. So as I have said that depending on the person, what the person needs, depending on that, the browser can be configured, and the web page or the home page of a particular browser can be changed accordingly. While we are surfing the web, we can get back to the home page anytime by clicking on the home button present on the toolbar. So these are the home buttons, these small home like pictures. Two types of home. This one is for Mozilla Firefox and this one is for Internet Explorer. Okay, so this dark colored home is for Mozilla Firefox and this one is for Internet Explorer. So more or less the things are same, but the logo is a little bit different. Both look like homes, but one is dark in color and the other is not. Okay, the term home page is also used for the main page of a website that opens up when we visit that website. Suppose we are visiting the website of the WHO, World Health Organization. You must have heard of WHO, right? So every big organization has their own own web page. So suppose we visit the web page of WHO, and the first page that will show under the web page of WHO is known as the home page of that particular website. So home pages are of two types. Web browsers can have a home page, which is the first page when the browser is opened up and that first page is shown, that is the home page of the web browser. And there can be a home page of the of a particular website when we visit that website. The first page that is seen is known as the home page. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you all, and in the next online class we will start with the components of the browser window. So suppose we first open a browser and there are different components spread out here and there. So we will learn about those, their functions, and then talk in details about that. Okay, thank you.